As my analysis, pag may mga kamag-anak kayo dito, yun ang mga may promising option to get that permanent residency. The reason is, they help you guys. And so far, so good. I asked some officers in the immigration. I asked officers sa ESDC. Lagi kong tinatanong to when I get the opportunity to speak with them kasi they call me sometimes if they wanna clarify some applications. Tinatanong ko lagi, paano kung magkamag-anak? Paano kung magkapares yung apelyido? Nasa gray area palagi yan. Wala naman silang sinasabi na na rule doon, which is wala talaga akong makitang nababasa doon sa rule na hindi pwedeng i-hire ang caregiver kapag kakamag-anak. Walang ganun eh. So, pwede pa rin din naman daw, sabi nila. And they know, they see it, na magkapares yung apelyido, they see that. But they really cannot do anything kasi nasa gray area. At the same time, wala sa immigration law. So, they are okay. They base their assessment on the qualification or the capacity of the employer financially. And of course, na mayroon totoong 30 hours a week na minimum na mai-offer na trabaho sa foreign nationals. Think of you as foreign nationals, not kamag-anak. Okay? So, okay lang, kahit magkamag-anak.